I'll get it there.
Thank you, Jake.
I got all the plum juice.
Katie, how old are you?
2.
2. Jake, how old are you?
2.
Does bubble juice taste good? You know what you say when you drink it? You say cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. What did you do today, Katie?
I went to Miss Gilson's class.
You went to Miss Goldstein's class?
And I went to school.
You did? What did you learn?
Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine.
That was good. Did you see Aunt Nancy there?
Yeah.
Did she give you a big hug?
No.
No? Oh.
She was outside.
Oh, okay. Did you wave to her?
No.
Oh. Next time you should wave to her.
And you wait.
Yeah.
And when Daddy was home, and when Daddy was sick.
Who was sick? Aunt Nancy was sick?
No, Lindsay was sick.
Oh. Okay. Okay, should we go downstairs and play right now?
Yeah!
What do you think?
Yeah!